Hey everyone, are you tired of untangling your headphone wires every single time? Well, say goodbye to that mess. Let's dive into how to use wireless earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds and their charging case are fully charged. Most cases have an indicator light. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer. Now, take the earbuds out of their case. This usually puts them into pairing mode automatically. You should see the name of your earbuds pop up in your Bluetooth device list. Just tap on it to connect. You'll probably hear a little sound in the buds confirming they're paired. And that's it. Now you can listen to music, podcasts, or take calls, all completely wire-free. It's a total game changer. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.